Look, it's okay to be ready for 2020 to be over. It's been a crazy year, one filled with experiences and challenges that none of us could have been prepared for. But before I write this year off as a total bust, I just want to share some thought which I learned in 2020. Here are my 20 life lessons in 2020. The first one is art of to-do list. Keeping a journal gives a proper plans to do things in a structured form and makes you organized. The second one is keep a sound body and mind. No matter how the situation is, keeping your body and mind healthy gives you energy to work efficiently. The third learning was risk taking. If you have skills, the scenario doesn't matter. You will get work even during crisis situation. I took a calculated risk with freelancing, but it worked out better than a permanent option. Another one is savings. Definitely, savings for a crisis situation is necessary as you cannot predict when you will get all the bill closed. Because it's not just you in crisis, but all are in crisis in this situation. The fifth one is change before the change changes you. It was a challenge to adapt with the pandemic. It has new rules and curfews were imposed. People had to wear masks and sanitizers. Educational institution, government institution, private institution had learned to work online and from home itself, which we had never imagined to do ever. So be proactive, keep a learning mindset and ready to change. Next one is live frugal. With this crisis, I have learned to do things on my own for which I used to wait for people to do for me, like hair cutting, car wash, cultivating vegetables on the backyard. Seventh one is time for learning. In 2020, I was able to join many online classes and learn new things and add on for my career and hobbies. The eighth one is earn from home. With everything going online, live with Zoom, Google Meet, WebEx, Microsoft Meet, I was able to expand my opportunities and gain from it. The ninth one is new experiments. I was able to try my cooking skills. It was awesome. Thank you, YouTube. The 10th one is reading time. I had enough time to read all the books I had been buying for years. And the best book I would suggest you are Atomic Habits and 21 Lessons for 21st Century. The 11th one is change your habits. To achieve a goal, you have to change your habit instead of jumping into achieving the goal. This I had learned from the book Atomic Habits. The 12th one is connect with friends. I was able to connect with my good old friends from school and college who still haven't lost the touch of healthy human and huge support. 13th one is very important. Take digital knowledge. Learn how to utilize the digital facilities available to us. As per NAS Daily, the world is going to see the useless class in addition to the other classes like a lower, middle and upper. So this useless class will find income through vlogging, photography, traveling and through other digital platforms. Even horoscope can't predict. Fortune tellers, beware, you have lost your touch. None was able to foresee the pandemic, and it's proved life is uncertain. Family is not to be taken for granted. Though many lost their job and everything due to pandemic, the only thing that is everlasting is your family. Give them first priority and then job. Due to lockdown, I realized that humans are social animals. It has been proved that you cannot sit at home without interacting with the outside world. The 17th one is Productive 360. Many companies are switching to work from home basis as it has been very effective and efficient. From my experience, majority of educational institutions going for blended learning. This become a new educational policy soon in India. 18th one is Go eco-friendly. Grow green, eat green, and try to use sustainable materials. 19th one is personal hygiene. My house, car, and bags are equipped with sanitizers, masks. I'm not afraid to use it. The last one is every situation is a boon. Adversity creates opportunities. Different people found different options for their livelihood during this pandemic. Everyone shifted to online sales, online classes, e-commerce, dropshipping business, and more.